Breaking update from Minneapolis Metro. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for parts of Hennepin and surrounding counties. Radar indicates strong rotation and possible funnel cloud formation moving east at 40 mph. If you're in areas like Prairie, Bloomington, or St. Louis Park, take shelter immediately. Avoid windows, stay in a basement or interior room, and monitor local weather alerts. This storm could bring damaging winds, large hail, and flash flooding. Stay tuned for real-time updates and stay safe, Minnesota. For more emergency alerts and storm tracking, follow BuzzPoint now.